SAMOA Housing Corporation vacant position advertisement. Applications are invited for the following position at the SAMOA Housing Corporation. Permanent position, Recoveries Officer. Starting salary ranges from 12,171,060 sene to 14,096 tala 90 sene. Job description for the above position can be uplifted from the SAMOA Housing Corporation or email akinese@samoahousing.ws. Contact Akinese Fepuleai on telephone number 24615 if you require further information. Applications close on Wednesday, the 14th of July 2021 at 4 p.m. Applications must include a signed application or cover letter, a recent curriculum vitae, at least 2 references, certified copies of academic qualifications, and a police report. Please address applications to the Chief Executive Officer, SAMOA Housing Corporation, S.H.C Building, Matafele.